Hi, my name is Catherine Wendt with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk with you about the Microsoft end of life. Nope, not Windows 7, although that's coming up. It's the operating system 2008 for your server. Turns out Microsoft has retired this product a while ago. 2008 was 11 years ago. It is end of life. They're not going to provide any more security updates as of January 2020. So if your server is running 2008, any flavor, usually R2, or SPS, those servers need to be replaced. So what are some of your options? Well, one, of course, is the traditional route where you would replace the physical server. You buy a new server, you buy the licenses, the software that you need, the new operating system. We do the implementation, get your users set up, move the data over, and you're up and running. It is a capital investment, of course, and some of our clients have chosen to pay for that outright up front, and others have chosen to finance that. Another alternative, which some of our clients have also taken advantage of, is server virtualization in a cloud. We provide a private cloud, and essentially what that means is we would virtualize your server, and you're essentially leasing the equipment, the licensing, the software that you need in order to run the server. On it goes your users, your data. You have access from anywhere that you have an internet connection, and it's fully backed up. The trade-off is that you have a monthly fee to lease that, but you don't have the big capital investment on the front end. So we're going to have some webinars coming up on what the hot reasons are to go with maybe one or the other, so watch for that information. But I have a word for our Sage 100 Contractor construction clients. It has been made very clear by Sage that they are fully invested in Sage 100 Contractor. They have a 10+ year horizon out there for software improvements and the growth of that product. They've also been equally clear that they will not make it cloud-based. So what many of our clients have done so they can stay in this excellent product is they actually run it on a private virtual server that they can access through the cloud, anywhere you have an internet connection. This has been great for companies that have an owner that might travel or work remotely, for project managers who work either from home or at the job sites, and therefore they're not in the office. And some of our construction clients don't even have a physical home-based office that they would have a server in anyway. So this is ideal for them. Fully backed up, you're essentially paying a monthly fee to use the software, the licenses, and have that made available to you. These are all very viable options. The big deal here, the biggest takeaway here is there is a deadline coming up. January 2020, Microsoft is end of life for 2008, and those SBS servers, they need to be replaced for security purposes. The hackers are just waiting for that day to click on the calendar there. If you have any questions about this, if you want to talk about the pros and cons or how it might fit for your business, happy to help you out with that. Take it to heart. There is a deadline here. Thanks for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your week.